Oh my god. Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today I'm showing you how to make shower steamers. Shower steamers fizz and release amazing scents into the air, providing aromatherapy in the shower. If you're unsure if you'll be in the mood for a shower or a bath, no worries. I'm giving you a recipe that can be used as both a shower steamer or a bath bomb. Essential oils are optional. You can add any type of color that you want. I'll be using a shampoo bar mold which makes a tablet shape perfectly. I'll link it plus a 10% off discount code. Relaxing Rose has a calming blend of sandalwood rose, fragrance oil, and stress relief essential oil. I'm using a half a cup of mix for each, that way they're all the same size. In order to get the mix in tightly, twist the top a bit while applying pressure. Scrape the loose mix on the sides and pack it once more. I feel like this method is easiest and it applies the most pressure. The top edges are extremely fragile. In order to get the most of it off, hold the mold tightly in place and twist the jacket back and forth. Painting is optional. Add alcohol and mica to a cup. The rose steamers don't need to be painted, but if you wanted to, you could paint a cute little rose with a few leaves. Zesty Orange has a lively blend of citrus, fragrance oils, and alive essential oil. If you're using a citrus slice, I have a few tips. Choose a very thin citrus slice. Make the tablet a bit thicker than normal. If there's damage, repair it if possible, and always shrink wrap this tablet and let it dry for 24 hours. Painting is optional. I painted the inside lines, the round edges, and I added a few leaves. Sleepy Lavender has a hypnotic blend of lavender fragrance oil and sleep tight essential oil. Drop a few scattered lavender buds or place them in line just like a sprig of lavender. Slowly and carefully add mix. I do recommend painting this tablet. As you can see from the before and after pictures, painting adds color and decorates the tablet nicely. Make a light outline, then fill in lavender buds. Paint over the lavender buds and paint buds to fill in any gaps. This is a shower steamer only. Peppy Mint has an uplifting blend of peppermint and happy essential oils and menthol crystals. To make the sparkly salts, dip them in alcohol and mica and then let them dry. Place the steamer off to the side where it gets wet from water splashing or bouncing from the shower. The mint steamer was very refreshing and exhilarating. It also clears up sinuses within minutes. I also really enjoyed them as bath bombs. They were very vigorous, quickly infusing the water and air with lovely scents. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration.